Hey guys, PDX Lockpicker here, and I just want to show you what I got today. So as you can see, I easily tripled my lock collection, and I want to share some ideas of where to find locks. So one good place to go look for locks are garage sales. Um, a lot of people will practically give a lock away, especially if they don't have the key to it. And as lock pickers, like, why do you care if it has a key or not? We're just trying to pick the lock for practice. Craigslist is also a good option, or you can go to Goodwill, or whatever secondhand flea market you have in your local city. Or you can do what I did, and I went to a local locksmith, and he gave this all to me. Um, Locksmiths, especially if they're swapping out fresh locks for customers, like 9 out of 10 times, or 99 out of 100 times probably, they will throw the stuff away because they got no use for it. Unless it's either like antique, super high security, or just like a rare lock. Um, or made out of made out of real nice material, they probably aren't going to keep it. So just get in contact with your local locksmith and ask them if they have any old locks. And if they don't, tell them, be like, hey, keep some locks around, and this time next week, I'll come back and just take them off your hands. If you're persistent, um, and they get to know you, they'll be more than willing to help you. And it wouldn't hurt to like maybe throw them a few dollars, or try to bribe them with food, or give them a pizza every time you show up. I know Bosnian Bill likes to get bribed with the Hershey's chocolate. So what did I get from the locksmith? Um, I got a bunch of mostly Schlag and quick stuff, but I don't care. I just want the practice, right? So I got a couple deadbolts here, uh, and then a bunch of cylinders. These are all Schlag too. Um, these are both basically the same lock, because I'm guessing this guy came off from like a commercial job, and it came off a door with the same lock on both sides. I got another one right here from Schlag. Oops. A cheap little Defiant lock. This weird cam lock from this company, I think it's called Jet. I don't know, never heard of it. It's a it's a neat little 4 pinner. Great for beginners. Got this Almont rekey padlock. I don't know. And then these are the U change uh, mortar cylinders. They're kinda like the smart key from Quickset, where you can rekey this yourself, but inside is completely different. It's not a, exactly a traditional pin tumbler, and it doesn't use the sliders like the Quickset either. It's really unique. If you go YouTube, you change lock cylinder. There's a guy called Tumbler, I think. He guts one of these open, and it's nothing like I've ever seen before. And then the crown jewels of the find were these cores right here. This is also a Schlag, but what I got here is my first 6-pin lock. So that's kind of cool. I never had a 6-pin lock before. And then most importantly, I really wanted one of these. This is a Schlage Everest lock. As you can see by the type of key it is, the bow, and also you can tell by the marking that there's a little mountain right here for Everest. This is not the Primus one. This is just the regular Schlage Everest. This is also a 6-pin lock, but there's also a little sidebar component here that's got to engage for you to turn. You can see it on the plug right here. There's a little, there's a little like spring thing that's got to activate. Really cool. I think I'm going to use this to get my green belt because my picks I have will fit in this profile. The green belt lock that I got, the Master Lock 410 lockout tagout, I can't reach in there with my short hook in 25 thousandths. And then some other stuff I got. We also, part of the kit, I got a bunch of hardware too. These are all, or no, 4 of these are Schlage knobs keys. Sorry. One side is keyed, and then the other side, take this off, are just a little turn knobs. So I got 4 from Schlage, and then 1 quick set knob cylinder. He even gave me the latches for them too, which is kind of cool. As long as all the stuff that goes along with it, all the face plates, most of the screws. Hold on. So that was really cool of him, because I like lock sport more than just picking locks. You know, I like this stuff so much that I kind of want to be a locksmith. I've been working on a little practice board. Sorry, back up a little bit. That I made just out of some 2x6 and 2x4, and I mortised my first deadbolt. I mortised the 660 I had earlier here, and got it to work all nice and buttery smooth. I'm probably gonna get probably five more on here, and then install some like eye hooks so I can hang my padlocks on here, because I want to practice picking in a fixed position. Ugh. Oh yeah, speaking of Quickset 660, I also got one of this, but this is kind of a challenge lock. Supposedly he pinned this up very uniquely for his other coworkers to try to pick. So I'm probably gonna swap cores in my lock, and then see what he put inside. So yeah, guess what? I got this for free 99. So yeah, just bug your local locksmith a couple times, and you know, if you're friendly, got some social skills, they'll probably help you out. And fortunately, I even got like 60% of these probably have keys. I got this open earlier. Sorry, this is all messed up. But I'm gonna go pick this real quick because every video should have a little bit of picking. I'm gonna use the big Z wrench as always, And where's my hook? And guess what hook I'm using? The short hook. All right. Let me set this. All right, here we go. One's loose. Nope. That was like 3, 4, 5. I thought the binding was like 3, 4, 5. No, not that one. There we go. I overset that. All right, there you go. Click on 3, I think. Click on 5. Click on 2. I just got this open pretty easy here, right before I started filming. Get under there. Nope. I'm using way too much tension. There we go. Click. Click. That's overset. It's like 0. There we go. Nice click. It's holding me up. There we go. Boom. All right. As always, never pick a lock that you don't own or have explicit permission to pick, and never pick a lock in use. As you can see, I'm going to be busy for a while. Take care. Have a good weekend.